Welcome to Tech World, where we discuss the latest trends and advancements in the field of technology. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the future of AI, opportunities and challenges, one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields in tech. Watch till end to find mind-blowing future of AI technology. Artificial intelligence has already made an impact in our lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized ads. But what does the future hold for AI? And what opportunities will arise as a result of its continued development? Let's dive in and find out. Part 1. Current state of AI. Before we can look to the future, let's first take a look at where we are now with AI. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. AI is powered by machine learning, which uses algorithms and statistical models to analyze data and make predictions. Currently, AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and transportation. One of the most exciting developments in AI is the creation of deep learning neural networks, which can analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it to improve performance over time. This has led to breakthroughs in areas such as speech recognition, natural language processing, and image recognition. However, there are also challenges to be overcome with AI. One of the biggest concerns is the potential impact on jobs, as machines become more capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans. Another challenge is the ethical considerations around AI, such as bias and privacy concerns. Ethical considerations. As AI continues to evolve and become more powerful, there are important ethical considerations that need to be addressed. These include issues such as bias, privacy, and accountability. Bias. AI algorithms can be biased if they are trained on data that reflects historical inequalities or discriminatory practices. This can lead to unfair outcomes and perpetuate existing inequalities. It is important to ensure that AI is developed in a way that is fair and unbiased, and that it takes into account the diverse needs and perspectives of all users. Privacy. AI relies on large amounts of data to learn and make predictions. It is important to ensure that this data is collected and used in a responsible and ethical way, and that user privacy is protected. This includes issues such as data security, data ownership, and user consent. Accountability. As machines become more autonomous and make decisions on their own, it becomes more difficult to assign responsibility for their actions. It is important to ensure that AI systems are transparent and accountable and that there are mechanisms in place to address any negative impacts or unintended consequences. Part 2. Challenges in AI. While there are certainly many opportunities for AI in the future, there are also significant challenges that will need to be addressed. Some of the key challenges include technical challenges. Developing AI systems that can perform complex tasks, such as natural language processing and image recognition, is a significant technical challenge. As AI becomes more advanced, it will require increasingly powerful hardware and software to operate effectively. Regulatory challenges. As AI becomes more prevalent, there will be a need for new regulations and policies to govern its use. This will require collaboration between governments, businesses, and other stakeholders to develop frameworks that ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI. Ethical challenges. As AI becomes more powerful and capable, there are ethical concerns that need to be addressed. This includes issues such as privacy, bias, and accountability, as we discussed earlier in this video. Job displacement. As AI systems become more capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans, there is a concern that it could lead to significant job displacement. This will require new approaches to education and training to ensure that workers are able to adapt to the changing nature of work. Cybersecurity. As AI becomes more prevalent, it will also become a target for cyber attacks. Ensuring the security of AI systems will be critical to their effective and responsible use. Part 3. Opportunities in AI. Despite these challenges, the continued development of AI is likely to bring many new opportunities. Let's take a look at some of the most promising areas for growth in AI. Healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnosis, treatment, and patient outcomes. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images to detect diseases such as cancer at an early stage, increasing the chances of successful treatment. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can also provide patients with personalized support and advice. Education. AI can be used to personalize learning experiences for students, tailoring instruction to their individual needs and abilities. This can help to improve student outcomes and reduce the achievement gap between different groups of students. AI can also help teachers to streamline administrative tasks, such as grading, and free up more time for teaching and mentoring. Transportation. Self-driving cars are already in development, and once they become widespread, they have the potential to greatly reduce traffic accidents and congestion. AI can also be used to optimize traffic flow and reduce emissions, improving the efficiency and sustainability of transportation systems. Finance. AI can help to improve fraud detection and risk assessment in the finance industry. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large datasets to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent activity, while also helping to automate routine tasks such as credit checks and underwriting. Entertainment. AI can be used to create personalized content recommendations for users, based on their interests and viewing history. It can also be used to create more immersive and interactive experiences, such as virtual reality and augmented reality applications. Part 4. The future of AI. So, what does the future hold for AI? Let's take a look at some of the most exciting developments on the horizon. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to greatly improve the speed and efficiency of AI algorithms, enabling machines to process even larger amounts of data and make even more accurate predictions. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas such as drug discovery and climate modeling. Explainable AI. One of the challenges with AI is that it can be difficult to understand how a machine arrived at a particular decision or prediction. Explainable AI is an emerging field that seeks to address this issue by making AI more transparent and interpretable. This could have important implications for areas such as healthcare and finance, where it is important to understand how decisions are being made. Autonomous machines. As AI continues to advance, we are likely to see more autonomous machines that can operate independently without human intervention. This could include robots that can perform tasks such as cleaning, maintenance, and delivery, as well as drones that can be used for tasks such as monitoring and inspection. AI in space exploration. AI could play an important role in future space exploration missions, by helping to automate tasks and analyze data from remote sensors. For example, NASA is currently developing an AI-powered drone that can explore the icy oceans of Saturn's moon, Titan. Human-AI collaboration. As machines become more capable, there is a growing interest in exploring how humans and AI can work together to solve complex problems. This could include scenarios such as doctors using AI to help diagnose and treat patients, or engineers collaborating with AI to design new products. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. While there are many opportunities for growth and innovation, there are also important ethical considerations that need to be addressed. As we continue to develop AI, it is important to ensure that it is used in a way that benefits society as a whole, and that it reflects our values and priorities. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Thank you for watching Tech World, and we'll see you next time.